meditation is the answer for all mental issues that we are facing today in the world. Yeah, meditation. So you do meditation every day. There are so many guided meditations. Okay, yoga nidra, guided meditation, some pranayam. All this we must continue doing. What do you say? Yeah, and encourage everyone to do. Encourage people to do meditation. In the past few months, Art of Living teachers and volunteers have been doing wonderful service, great service in teaching people meditation, helping them to come out of the lows, that the blues that they are in, helping them to also materially helping them to find resources and solace. See, meditation brings both solace and strength. Those who are sad, they need solace, and those who feel weak to handle situation, they need strength. Meditation gives both. And each one of you, I tell you, you are very precious, because you are doing meditation. You are not just doing for yourself. When you are meditating, even if you are doing for yourself, when you are meditating, what you are creating around is something fantastic. You are creating positive ions, you are creating positive vibrations around, and that will take care of the collective consciousness in society. Yeah, so it's very important that you continue meditation every day, every single day. That not only gives you strength, it will also bring solace to many others around. Yeah, so don't forget to do meditation, come what may. It should be part of our routine. I mean, this is the main thing actually. And let me also take this opportunity to congratulate our volunteers around the globe and teachers who are tirelessly working or engaged in some or other service projects everywhere. That's so wonderful work they have done all over. I am tweeting every day, little bit here, whatever information I get, but lot more work that they are all doing. And I also tell you all, teachers and all, you take care of yourself too. Okay, don't be too over enthusiastic and not at the cost of your own health. You must take care of your health, and then do whatever you can, that anyway you are all doing. And today Sri Sri University has also launched many programs, about 40 new programs, innovations and all that. That's very good. We need to create more positive environment, and each one of you can be a lighthouse at this time of the time that the whole world is going through, very tough time the world is going through. This will be over, these lockdowns and all this will be over, things will become normal. Don't worry, this will not be the new normal. Actually things will all come to the original how we were before the pandemic. Having this intention, vision and strength, I want all of you to go ahead and spread positivity and enthusiasm in people.